YouTube, what is good? It's Brandman17 coming at y'all with a banger of a video today. Hey, if you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. If you're a returning sub, bro, appreciate y'all for stopping by. Same with the new folks, appreciate y'all stopping by. Got a banger for y'all today. It's Sunday, we Sunday cruising. Let's get after it, bro. But nah, hey, so look, this video here really just wanted to talk about pretty much like going backwards, bro. You do not, anything you do in life, bro, you do not want to go backwards, whether it's relationships, friends, jobs, old towns, where you from, where you been at in the past. You don't want to be going back to that stuff, bro. Like, you make all these advances in life, bro, all the progress you make in life, you don't make all that progress just to go back, bro. And I mean, I guess, I mean, you can, I'm not involved in the hip-hop community, bro, but I listen to rap music, I listen to like all types of music, and the stuff that be going on like outside of the music, I'm tapped into it a little bit. Pretty much, if y'all don't know, like 2 weeks ago, there was this rapper from like Fort Worth, Texas, Lil Ronnie, supposedly like the best gambler in Texas or whatever. He got clapped, bro. He got clapped. A week later, Sauce Walker, he gets clapped. Or he didn't get clapped, but he got shot. His artist got clapped. His artist got clapped. And then shit, like yesterday, 2 days ago, Friday, the 28th, it's Young Scooter's birthday. For those of y'all that don't know who Young Scooter is, he pretty much a rapper from Atlanta. He been making music since like 2012. My big bro used to listen to him all the time. Super old rapper, trapper rapper, you know. He make good music though. But he had a little run-in with the law in his home city. Got smacked, bro. People be going back to their old towns. It really ain't nothing good there for you, bro. It's really not. Like, I got out of my city really as quick as possible, bro. Like, I grew up in that city, lived there pretty much my whole life, went to high school there. While I was in college, you know, coming home on breaks, I'm going back to my city. There really ain't nothing there. The city really ain't showing no progress like that. Past few years, you know, it's really not like the place to be. There's better places to be, and that's, you know, had to get out of there, had to get somewhere else. But I'm saying that to say this, bro. Young Scooter whacked in the city, or not whacked, but he actually had like he was running from the cops, broke his leg, supposedly, allegedly, broke his leg, and you know, busted a femoral artery, bled out pretty much. We Sunday cruising, but people trying to speed out here today, man. People trying to speed out here today. Like, bro, I hate when people do that right there. Like, they get over it, thinking they about to, like, cut up. Now you falling back in line, bro. Fall in line, bro. Calm your dumb ass down. Fall in line. Nah, but I know people be having places to go, and he might be in a rush. But I'm Sunday cruising. I'm going the speed limit. I'm not going slow. You go around me if you want, bro. But there really ain't even too much space in front of me to get where you trying to get to, so. But nah, man. Scooter, he's from Atlanta. He got killed in Atlanta. Say So P, that's Sauce Walker artist. He got killed in Memphis. He from Memphis or Raleigh, whatever. Raleigh, Tennessee, close to Memphis. He back in his old city or whatever, major city. I never heard of Raleigh, Tennessee or Raleigh, Memphis, whatever. I never heard of that before, but Lil Ronnie and there's countless others, bro. Young Dolph killed in the city. Nipsey Hussle killed in the city. There's so many, like, those couple examples right there, bro. Just bad stuff happening whenever you go back to your city. You got old problems there, you know, beef not squashed. It's really not good coming out of that. Like, if you got an old chick, bro, do not go back trying to mess with that chick, bro. Yeah, she might give you some punani, bro, but like, you really don't want it like that. You really don't. I know I don't. So I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't recommend doing that. Like all the chicks that I dealt with in the past, bro, Hell nah. Especially like where I'm at today, boy. Hell nah. Hell nah. Could not. Fuck no. Hell nah. That look like my neighbor, low key. But nah, bro. I could not go back to that shit. Could not go back. Ain't nothing good gonna come from it. Y'all can comment down below if y'all ever went back, mess with an ex, something like that. Let me know how that shit worked out for you. Probably didn't. Old jobs. Why would I go back? I wouldn't go back. There's nothing there for me. I worked at freaking Academy Sports and Outdoors. I worked at Kroger. Worked at a little barbecue restaurant. There ain't nothing for me. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, you don't make all these advances in life to go back, bro. And y'all, I mean, if you grown, bro, if you out here handling your business, standing on business, like, you should have like a pretty decent like understanding of I mean, at some point, bro, your common sense gotta kick in. Like, you gotta know when you in a good situation or a bad situation, bro. But it's like them old relationships, bro, old towns, old friends, like some of my homies from back in high school, bro. These fools, some of them crash dummies now. Some of them are straight crash dummies. Like, one of my homies, that fool, he gonna tell me he been on the run for a little minute, talking about, hey, let me hold $10. I'm on the run, bro. I said, damn, bro, you on the run? Like, what are you gonna do if you seriously on the run, bro? What are you gonna do with $10? How far is $10 gonna get you, bro? Like, damn, especially in today's economy, bro. But yeah, I mean, we just Sunday cruising, bro. Y'all comment down below if y'all know anything like that, been in like similar situation. Not talking about being on the run, but just talking about, like, you know, instances where going back, them backwards moves, they not beneficial, bro. They not getting you where you trying to be. They not helping you reach your goals. It's not the play. It's not the move. Don't do that shit. Like, come on, man. And like, the thing is, like, y'all be knowing too. Y'all be knowing. Nah, but, or I mean, some people be knowing, some people don't, bro. People be like, I don't know. You gotta really be on your shit out here, bro. Or you cannot be out here bullshitting, bro. People do though. It's crazy. But yeah, man, I mean, shoot, y'all know, like, I need to go get some gas. I need to fill up. So I'll make a quick pit stop here at Little Beezer's, snag some lunch, and I'll see y'all at the G station.